And I think it's very important. There were some pictures today that have popped up on the internet of some Qatars standing in front of an American flag, and a Zambian flag, and they're dressed up like I think there's some Qatar group that's called the Americans or something like that. And I need to say to your viewers, everybody knows this, but those are not Americans, and those are not, that is not a statement of the United States of America. We don't take sides. And we support the Zambian people to decide, who do you want to vote for? You should be able to vote for the candidates you want. You should be able to hear from those candidates during the campaign to get a good view of what their vision is for the country and, where they want to take Zambia in the next 5 years. And that's what democracy is all about. And I think we provide that support as a fellow democracy and as a fellow free people who are committed to that vision that we as citizens can decide who we want to be our rulers.
So, having made a reference to that particular, to that particular part, is the U.S. Looking at engaging, the political party that those cadres represent to make a formal complaint so that maybe something can be done?
I think what I'll do is I'll just say, as I'm saying today, that, that is not us. We don't support, one side claiming that we support them or another. And I'm not going to get into debates with Qatars back and forth. I think the thing that I would say to Qatars is don't be violent. Don't intimidate people. And whether you're a PF Qatar or a UPND Qatar or whatever kind of supporter you are, don't be violent and don't harass people, because Zambians want peace. They want a peaceful election. They want to be able to have a situation where they can hear from their candidates. And again, there needs to be equality of treatment. It needs to be fair. And, you can't use the Public Order Act and COVID regulations and say to the opposition, yeah, you can't go out and talk to people. And yet you say, the government business allows you to get out and talk to people during a campaign season. That's very unfair. So you need to have the same kind of regulations, same kind of enforcement. And I think the standard really should be that if people gather together, they wear masks.
Ona masoja wa bosi kumbuyo mwa bwelela ona masoja soja bali komanda soja ikuchita soja noko soja soja ona masoja wa bosi kalimashi bosawa noko soja bali komanda soja ikuchita soja noko soja
Akatambala nakaleta ku ichongo kuli bala bantu bambya bakwata jealous balefu okubati bafitwalire mumbi so ifwe kukwabula okuleta ekipatanyo n'ekibyo mu party n'echongo n'olubuli twasalapo tukwamba okubombala akatambala kaba boss ba Edgar Chagwalungu ECAO 2021 kozo cho tulefu amutende mpati so ifu akatambala kesu eko twapanga eko twafumala kena nyaka ECAO 2021 bonse ama fans besu twala abapera bonse ama members aba PF twala abapera ifwe presta continue na group yesu okusupporta ba boss besu ba Edgar Chagwa Lungu ko bati batwalire 2021
Edgar Chagwa Lungu
sikwete finisha kulanda ishashala twalanda ko anaka.
We are not here to cause any confusion amongst ourselves, because most of people think that this group is a group which causes confusion.
In Zambia, let's stop promoting America when we are in Zambia. Ngatufu na America bela ndeko zipita. But why? Kanyama wanti nayo kale. Kanyama wanu ni promota huyu hao. What we want is to promote what people look. People get confused.
Mami rairiza kwa Kanyama. Abafiyashi bairudi. Mami namona mu akabulo kutachanya abana namona mu ubufyengo bantu umuntu omwishiga twanganda ino ngainda mukuluba kwaliwo kumwita nokumwitira panshi nokulanda nange mwangu mfwaichili kulienda nangu nga mulefu akanyo bayo nti mwafosi mwoku mulefu okulanda evo nkiso na umfamuliranda pakatambalaka apacha akatambalaka nakamyona wila pisi ilatepa yufite bali tuwashiri amagu nishaumfile mwalanda ko mwailese nyutizi taranga tulisaidi no so mami ndeko amebeshaka akakatambalaka kako America leo kaba kako America katambalaka mukavuka maisha aba America. I like Jew because I'm Christian na temwa ma Jew bali kashanya na mwaikata umo nishuichizi mwaikata bonse kuima pamwe etali ngati ndeta kama soja kupifu kambire muri basata mami mufaya ma picture yandi ya muri basata mukambone ne mifwali yandi mu American good time. That's why someone they are jealous of you. Mwenye mfamani so akakatambala mami akakwinga na mwema soja bandi mwenye banti mpantu umuntu uli onse ngabamutema ku bantu balesa muno chatimo bakesa chitimo pakuchata ntimo na ratimochi so yakakatambalaka so mani natamika lipa sana na oba police omwebere mwema soja bandi mwireko kufwala twamara kwati fikafire tareta yakapatu zataleto kutulika konsi ngatibanga ndaimo ngabatu wako time ya kuntani balanda na ni bamani bali bakalamba bali nomba we balanga kaide ama politics ofo yaba yali bako date yali lamba umuntu tsari klanga iPhone kashkunma alet baitina so politics natawelanda na politics ngone kwa ajikarezi tukara vile unauka nani shani tine mongo mpange strategy yone omule panga omule konkaba SG Atlanta Dem Party jae mwemba man I fight for this party mwemba man na ni fight in party ngamwe sombola imochali wamina kuli motyali yangu kila kusomboleni nero fwe bene fwe babe nkondo we are still crying kuchirikira jambo mitima no benefits abaleta benefit abeni abayisa mpati. I'm still talking ngalala na firma video shaka lekyo tapari ukandesha cause tamwefo kumpero mtende mwefo amusha chimuvutisha takwabo kuvutisha umuntu wako sa mukaisala kwa pana ka not pano young boy American boy innocent kamashi akwaka patulira mukwete nefo mwefo kupango mwefo ngasana ba SG atifuti ba SG bafune bambe kwanda tiyo chentu mutazi mpachi ba SG mwechero nokuchirwa abo abantu bali mpachi kubani tumenike mulandi tapale ukondia taba sombola sana abantu ingayi kufebele febali ukondi febele febali ukondi we fight MMT, we fight Scott, we fight Ntakabimba, the same innocent Kalimanjari bakuntanshi lelo fyawa mafyapya atiyo ba president uno mukuna imwe mumfunishe kweshiwe no muntu mumfunishe kweshiwe aba bantu bale ngenga pena imopongo aba bantu bale ngenga birozi ba president dosa ifika bale ngenga pena imopongo na uyo mukuba ndete report ya abantu mwantanje ba president many go out. No, it's too much. It's too much for president. We not take care of the country. No one put again bali never tatara chimba kambi bali. Taba kwata kuna chance ya kuba tibamisho mfya shule abweli abapanga party. Abantu boto walero nabe. Bonza abantu bene bali batanda ba president mukelefezi. Aba bantu bamyo kunjina kuti again ma president mukelefezi na alisa. Musharo chilichandi. We baita besi flag dayapwe. So iteni polisi onyo omkwete kwa makoko bati ese mkuta to mutu kwete iflagita ya kwa iflagi ala kwa Amerika ngamurefu wanga na mkwata chance ya kutansa kwa Amerika tinga imkuta iflagita tansheni kwa Amerika. I have a vision. I was a boxer before. I am connected with my politics maka ya kwa alisa. When God said no one can say no mreunfo na ikadile charo sesukunira abandi bandi betumuntu nyota mwakantinye byabufi. So polisi wewe bebele ndesha sonjika umuntu moine ito munango wa kuchipato aisa mkuru na ba polisi aletera ro munango jeje lero futhi umuntu moine aisa kuli mofuta kemse mfight na kukwini ero anda shepo toro apa tapabo fumwa stapona tapabo ni fumwa landa cause muntu we never shaka mitine po muchitofo mulifuwa PF to fight muri jabayizi not pano to fight so the game you can fight the one fighter and I'm fighter shabo you come my politics respect me I respect you
mayo tairi bwino oyo mulechaya but ndera ndandebere na mutumikisha kale fyongo background na bambo kono na balenzu aba PF abali kwa ro kitambala but na kuma bya shitwali kwa tamago twalisho kuba na twalisho but watero muchishi wakateka besu kumona mu bintu ari mpero muchishi so wekere ni pamitia mwe muchiteri vesa ya mashini otherwise chomwe choma mwara le chombo ayo day bali turashira mambo kuri karembi apa pena tatwasumine futi kwa bati bambokola tuchita kwati na kali mutatuli bana ba PF lero chichipando ali chambire na badata basata mwa bafyashi kwa papata na opoch what that's why bali firo kuchita doctor kuchirangaze meya you are young ukaicho mu politics nishira deba turashira mambo ku youth day presence of SG na bakateka tawala ndire ndibiri SG take charge kuri aba bantu abarasaba na bamwe bantu ba PF commander ale bikamukira picture bama ba Elizabeth atatukana watch out each pani chitatwamire kire tatwachireke ko tamwachita ijaki rushi bwena bubi tatwachita mwachita ijaki chichipani turana commander kadimani turana ECA for 2021 commander wa chana turana balungu mwala bali danda one Zambia one nation batata bakaunda mande one Zambia one nation ili pesa mulanda ndibira abaforo to America is a Christian nation. America na Zambia is a Christian nation. Then America chalo chama Jews bali kachana. That's why forever for a road mulesha twali kachana bonse forever for a road kama ikata omurishi maikata bonse so mwafyashi ombe ntwa tatabalu bapafata mwafyashi lero tulandreni na bambo kufyama odandebire bale twipaya bale tukoma olanga batusanga peno tutambala lero tuli ba PF tuli ba PF mwa vya shibeso tate balungi twalomba ba etgoa ibushanya ko mwafu etgoa mkamba ibukushofuko wafu wale isana na kuma orange kuli aye mkamba ule tupanga ifweni jebere bagai ten pushing PF ipite ule BKF right kuchiko twale kupokelera mkamba lero waikara pachambaso wambokula turekerisha wambokula shitakwani kali mota watu ishwa mkamba we kushavyo ko wafuma ko ishama umutima ko ishama umutima ko mando akakatambara wakafora shani mayo pale abena deva myarukire na bena mishiki bare mitukaura tama tumenefanya ndefa ba America bangafu lero ba America twabipa futi mwalerira ifoti ba America bangafu lero ba America twabipa mayo zona wene chirindewe kesha po mayo na mkwate nkongore yesu yakulaninda sodi kuri vuve bana beno amayuti kata mwarinda sodi tatwa mpatikishe kali muni bachi kulire but campaign kuntanji muilaba nenzi wa mwaka nyama votera mwaka nyama alenga votera mwaka nyama turekale nsala devi alekula mama manshon vashola bayeshita maya ndindara mashama yufi abena mumba mweba fiashi ibukushanya ko mwale turaya ifirayo tamwafikirisha mama Elizabeth Bini kali wangu.
Hello, yeah, yes, yeah. Midnight, yeah. Tuwafuma sokota. Kali maishpano. Ya maba kampiongo. Yomo awapo ni presidential appointee. Ero yomo awapo yo. Ngefyo mwa tapokuwa tika mitwadilile. Na mpokwa tika miafo guno kuntanshi. Ole mwa kampiongo potika kwa fuiko guno kuntanshi. Kubika molo. Kuza poa bakaili. Pabalo. Pabalo. So fudo abika molo. Ene nebo ina senti kalimaishi. Jimu ina Zambia. Ode onfwa. So nakweba ati ninkwata kesi iliyonse pa police ewe ngampera police bond chiwampera ule onfwa so yonoti pantu wali kwata problemu wakwete fulo fingi wa president bakula kwa chifulo chimo apera bakeo vinsampa wambo kundita kuntega paishi chileso nyo kufumana akale ukepushe bonso bunabomba na bena ama politics bonso bunabomba na bena bonso bunashungura na bena Zambia bunabomba na bena ba boss bowe bonse so iwapo peno pongeshi byo kubatine nshale pango munguro na lesangwa bali abantu abako nale kwata loyalty wamfa no kumfuira no kwatorse kubantu bantu beno kwimini nabantu mali kwatorse number 1 ali bombere na Scott guys kotani boss wo na bomba na boss wasata abado sata bali ma boss wo aboss ba Edgar boss ali ma boss wo so ine 13 fike iwe pamo bashani uso ambyo kutumaine ngambyo kuba banani ngambyo kuba national chairman abampere post ba boss ba president so inenda nakana urwishore nkonka tonso to chita kuchita shani awe leko diode oyo refoko naula want to mina phone yo natural san to mina na picture na video, so not picture and mina na video mwana wanje abagopa biote akwete 23 years this born wanje yontumene dad moneni finish mwalipo bakabolala kwata ko mchinshi ngara likabolala echwani tachikabolala ule mvo kampiongo ine teni kabolala shaibapo nali boxa ine shaibapo solo wale isa pa centro pali landati ule iso ushiko ule baba polisi atawe notro umpe police bond bali yake kota wakaki wakake ifindu ufuta to achifu mapanga pe kumito kumwezo kumito kumyeni kusangu twitira matia gasi na tuikalira palasi moturembera maso cyo tatuishiwe era fyo butukireko atiyo mupati mwali kumani naye chabashanye umfango ebe kampiongo ine kwatini barwandi ine ofe volunteer wa PF tapali ekuna ubudileta na ambo kulale mbati mbe member bansumina sakwati ine ofe volunteer erongo fole imona chichi wantanje tetu untanje kozine pali PF vote yanti upela fiba president yo pali yo appoint yo binangu bakutanja tapali fika sikunkana ukaya fiba kasontere pona ombi so I am a politics ero wachisa mkulanda wachisa pa media so na nena kwasikira pa media nefuna aishire pa media palofuna asikire pa court nyo waliza mfela wa police ama instruction nyo waliza mfela wa police ama instruction yushiko so iwe umona vilanda tunakulira town mu Lusaka umona kwati bufi apolice abengi bali shona na record ya ndio nakwati nation chita gana chite vivanti na advise so no timwe mwaisaya kuiba ba msonda ati bashani post yabo ile ati atishani basi ayo abani bali msonda yabaye namwe abaletera na sausage akasakisa akafulo uli omuntu wenu na inya baba pera nomule macho wa polisi chibakana okutweba tatwaru fyanya ifwe ero nango mulisho kutupampa mina mano mutino wetu wakwata wamuno obusuma bwa mano shakwatenda lama banini chevi shakwatenda lama banini chevi ni Bible ya ndati mwakwata manisho walikwata vyonzi shaka mitine poine ya mai imo mpepeka ine MPF pepeka ine MPF nena ambiro kubomba nobo itabonza ati babosi bobe kuna ambiro kubomba na bene notiwe kwata ko mchinshi eta pali ngandande ne MPF necho nako ilili sana hivi mwalimu na wa president after mwantamvya mwalimu na wa president so na ine na isa mkumaka imwe waomva na isa mkumaka imwe tetuka puisha nje kukawe ama sebo baka kweba shatstik nisho bali pali ba polisi abengi baka kweba ba masebo aski ba masebo baka kweba na tumikisha guys court ali ni boss wandi yare ntunge fyaro nari keninga bepe wale ntunga untunge fyaro nkumfiri ali ntunge fyaro ngani boss wandi lo guys court now shinda mari mfosha mo position 5 a day go and ask kamuchaka kwewa wamufa lo ni body ga joko kona ambiri ini we were defense minister 2001 nishine wa amateur boxer 2006 na tana professional haisa mu Lusaka na wana skochi na wabosi wasata so bonze iwe abo bonali mumba wa bodyguard ni babosi bo so I think inete tuntinya kulikana kuntinya this is politics not money ngana kwata money kaye uleta compete na ba businessman banobe onfa in politics once you are coming out walande fintu fya kula mano ni kukwaswa ule onfa yeah so respect me, I'll respect you Warela ndeti ya wapopuli wa Kelvin Sampa. Wanji tanisho walandesha. Yonseli nchalanda. Kutamba. But yo ratuma wakutuma ma corruption shashine misango sho kupanga kutashani. Bali basampa. Bala batukalionze. Ni presidential appointee leo bakwata chimo chini nayo. Wamvo. So ishiwo foresta mpifu na nishiwo fondesta ndefo kutitenda balungu ine mwali ntamshi apa bulana muchimo pa nali support balungu kabwe na lero naliranda na futi nawe kishapo ebeni kwa abantu efyo na arushenye pakuti muntamshi napi mwali shiwo imwe nefyo waleta kuchobe kuletu mabantu bese banjipae